The debates over marriage and equality take center stage here in Central Texas tonight.
Good evening. The future of Texas' ban on gay marriage now rests with a federal judge in San Antonio.
KXAN's Kevin Schwaller spoke with the Austin couple challenging the Texas law earlier this week and now takes a closer look at today's hearing.
Outside the federal courthouse, Cleopatra De Leon and Nicole DeMittman said they were glad to have their day in court.
I think our attorneys did an excellent job of presenting the real issues in this case and how this law really does affect us and others like us.
In 2009, De Leon and DeMittman got married in Massachusetts. When they returned home, Texas didn't recognize the marriage. That means in the state's eyes, they don't have the same parental rights, medical rights, or rights after death.
I felt vulnerable because I didn't feel like the state of Texas was going to take care of my family if something happened to me.
They lived the differences with their son's birth.
I had to adopt him rather than being put on the birth certificate. I mean, we were married when we had him, so I should have just been recognized as his parent.
Attorney General Greg Abbott's office defended the constitutional amendment voters passed in 2005. Assistant Texas Solicitor General Mike Murphy told the judge that these were political questions, not constitutional rights, that same-sex marriage is not included in the fundamental right of marriage, and that it is a more recent innovation than Facebook.
We're in it for the long haul.
And the haul may be a long one. Now, the judge didn't say when he'd make his decision, but the issue would likely head to the Supreme Court. So why does today's hearing matter? Simply put, the decision has real-world implications on the couples. From the insurance to inheritance, same-sex couples don't automatically get many of the benefits heterosexual married couples get. Unmarried couples also aren't considered next of kin if one partner is in the hospital. And De Leon and DeMittman say if they need a stack of paperwork to do many of the things couples take for granted. Kevin Schwaller, KXAN News.
Kevin, thanks. This lawsuit is the first of its kind for Texas. It's one of 24 suits against different states. Just today, a judge ruled Kentucky must recognize same-sex marriages performed outside their state, and 8 couples filed a lawsuit against Missouri calling for the same portability right.